guys! Welcome sa ating second vlog sa ating US trip. Okay, so currently is to check out na ako as early as 6 a.m. because I need to catch the flight at 10. By 9:30 magsa-start na yung boarding. But prior ako alis, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung naging stayhan ko dito sa Korea. Ito yung Cube Hotel. Na-book po ito sa Agoda. Isa lang siyang na floor, isang floor lang siya na hostel. Tapos, sa isang room is 8 kami. So, ito yung lobby niya. Ito yung parang lounge access, gathering. Parang living room. Then, the good thing of this hostel, guys, is meron silang lutuan dyan. Tapos, they have free breakfast that you can get on the refrigerator. This in Agoda for only 1,600 per night, free breakfast. Medyo may kamahalan siya guys kasi malapit siya sa Myeongdong. It's really near in the Myeongdong. So kung nakita niyo yung previous video natin, sa kabilang side lang talaga yung yung shopping district o yung street food ng Myeongdong. So it's a good deal na din for a layover here in South Korea. So right now is I will be going na, mag-proceed na tayo sa station kasi we will be going to the airport kasi 1 hour pa yung biyahe. Guys, we have already reached Incheon International Airport Terminal 2. Grabe ang laki ng Seoul Station guys, nawala pa ako kanina. Paikot-ikot ako doon sa may rail tracks na almost 30 minutes. Finally na-figure out kung paano lumabas. So right now is sa Incheon Terminal 2 na tayo. We will be going upstairs to the departure area. Departure guys is nasa 3rd floor pa ng airport. So right now is we are on the 3rd floor. Yung gate natin is 266. So iiwan muna natin tong isang luggage natin sa check-in counter. Then look at guys my outfit. Naka New York na talaga tayo guys. We are really manifesting it. Oh my gosh. So we have already exited guys the immigration area. So my gosh, I arrived here kanina at 8:20. So right now it's 9:10. Ang daming tao sa security check at saka sa immigration. So mahuhupos talaga yung time. Tapos malayo pa yung medyo malayo pa yung gate ko guys. I'll have to find it out. My gate is 265 for Korean Air. So mahaba-habang lakaran pa to. Boarding time natin mamaya is 9:40 I think or 9:30. So it might probably be pagdating natin doon sa boarding gates is boarding time na. So wala na din tayong time makapag-lounge. The Incheon guys. So iba yung Incheon guys kasi yung mga stores nila are branded talaga. Oh, diba? Ayan guys, we have arrived at our boarding gates. So pagdating natin boarding na agad. We are now boarding guys. This will be our aircraft. Ayan. That is our aircraft. So it's a Boeing again guys. So my second floor siya. Ayan oh. My second floor siya. And my gosh, it's very exciting. This will be my second time flying Boeing again. The first time was yesterday. May earbuds agad ka pa free. Kuha tayo ng dalawa. Guys, my second floor on 47K. Nasa 434 ay 343 yung configuration. my God, guys, after 12 hours and 43 minutes of flying time, we have arrived at John F. Kennedy International Airport. So we are now on our way to the baggage claim. And it's a time difference, a big time difference from here, galing sa Incheon. So where are we? US? Non-US dito tayo. Non-US. Dito tayo sa non-US. Yan, so there are 12 hours difference sa Philippines. So today is, actually lumipad kami kanina is 10 a.m. in the morning, Incheon time, July 5. Then we arrive here, 10 a.m. pa rin ng July 5. So parang walang nangyaring oras na naganap. Pero doon sa Philippines is already 10 in the evening. Sa border control, guys, merong nakaseparate na agad if you are a US citizen or a foreign citizen. Thank you for flying in JFK. Oh my gosh, look at the line. Ang daming tao, guys. So guys, after 2 hours of waiting, finally is we have exited and we have passed the immigration in the US. Oh my God, this is officially welcome to New York. It's been waiting for me. So yung naging tanong lang sa akin, guys, is the first one is what's the purpose of my visit sa USA. So sabi ko sa kanya is vacation lang. Then ako lang ba daw yung mag-isa? So sinabi ko naman siya nga, yes, ako lang mag-isa. And then after that is tinanong din sa akin kung saan ako magsistay, which area ako magsistay sa US. So sinabi ko yung na-address ng hotel ko. And then, how long will I stay here? Tapos meron ba akong mga kamag-anak or friends in the New York? So, I told him na wala akong kakilala kamag-anak sa New York. Then, tinatakanan yung passport ko, nilagyan niya, I can stay up to January 6, 2025. So, 6 months pa siya. 6 months validity. But of course, we will not be staying that long kasi may trabaho naman tayo. Tinanong din pala kung saan ako nag-work, anong work ko doon sa Philippines. So sabi ko sa kanya, public teacher, I'm a government employee. Of course, dahil budget tayo, guys. So, our hotel is located at Upper West Manhattan pa siya, guys. So, it's in Manhattan Island. Then, the JFK is in the Queens side. So, we need to take the air train going to Jamaica. Then, from Jamaica, we will be riding the Long Island Railroad. Something LIRR daw yung para pumunta ng Penn Station sa Manhattan. It's the air train, guys. Ayan. May parating na air train. Yung plane pala natin na Korean Air, guys, nag-land siya ang Terminal 1. Maliit lang yung Terminal 1 nila. It's very small. Hindi masyadong mahaba yung lakaran. Yung air train, guys, is dadaan siya sa lahat ng terminals ng JFK. Ang laki ng airport, guys. We are now outside. We are now at the Jamaica station, guys. So from here is sasakay tayo ng LIRR train going to Penn Station. Sa Manhattan na yun siya. The air train sasakyan, guys, is it will cost you $4.25 per person. What's the good thing here sa US is pwede ka lang hindi mag-purchase ng Metro card, yung card sa train, basta meron ka lang credit card. Ito yung bentahan ng air train. So bibili din tayo ng Metro card para yung unlimited ride going to the subways in the New York, since mostly magsa-subway naman tayo. I have already purchased 2 Metro cards, guys. Yung unang Metro card na nabili ko is for the air train, which cost me $5. At saka yung another card na nabili ko is yung unlimited rides for the bus for 7 days. That cost me nasa mga $36 yata. Tapos may tip sila dito, guys. Ito yung culture ng US. May tip sila din, the tip. So if you will not be giving a tip, they are considered you're rude. No? So lahat ng mga naggasto ko for today, di pa ako nakalabas ng airport, $50 na. Hindi pa ako naka-withdraw. Anyways, guys, nakalabas na ako, dyan ako sa station ng galing. So ako, that spot is a central park na yun siya. So, sabi ng map is I have to go straight here Paakyat siya. Happen kanina is from the Jamaica station, sumakay ako ng train na blue o yung east na line. Bumaba ako ng 7th Avenue. Then from 7th Avenue, sumakay ako ng red line. Bumaba ako ng 103 Street Station. So from here, lalakarin ko muna siya papunta sa hotel. Wala kasing, may mga stations na walang mga escalators class at saka elevators. Stairs lang talaga. So buhat ko yung isang bag ko na 23 kilos at saka 10 kilos. Oh my God. Guys, from the station na binabaan ko kanina, nag-straight lang talaga ako paglabas ng exit. Straight, tapos may madadaanan ka at 3 street bago ka makarating dito sa Amsterdam Avenue. Yan na yung hostel namin, nag-stayhan ko guys. High New York Hostel. So nabuko ito sa Agoda for only 20,000 pesos for 4 nights. Ito na yung interior ng hotel guys. Ito na yung lobby nila. Front desk. Oh my gosh, makapag-check-in na din tayo finally after a very long flight. Ayan, so nag-check-in na tayo kanina guys. So hindi pa daw ready yung room ko kasi I requested a lower back. So parang nililinisan pa siya. So I have waited here sa kanilang common area. Ganda ng hostel guys. So saan laki siya. Meron siyang store na bintahan ng mga lunch. So later, siguro in another vlog, ipapakita ko sa iyo entirety ng hostel lang. Guys, so finally naka-check-in na tayo. So ito yung nakuha ko na room guys. So in a bed, in a room, 4 kami. Tapos, ayan. Dito tayo sa baba na assign. Nagpa-assign talaga ako sa baba. Kasi hindi ako makakaakyat sa itaas. So sa seat tayo, tsaka dito. So that wraps up our arrival here in New York. So I'll be fixing first. Then mamaya is aalis tayo. Mamaya mga gabi siguro para bisitahin natin yung first ever natin na sadya dito sa New York. Kundi puntahan yung Times Square. Ayan guys, it's already 7 p.m. in the evening here in USA, New York. So lalabas tayo kasi pupunta tayo ng Times Square. Ayan, we're outside. Daming mga parang uulan ata. Just alert. Yan yung hostel namin guys. Malaki siya, di ba? Ang ganda sa loob. Tapos sa harap nga marami mga kainan. May deli grocery. Tapos meron pa doong makikita kong Dunkin Donut. Or Dunkin. Doon siya. So, very strategically located siya. Talaga pang backpackers yung area. And guys, so what I like with our hotel guys, or hostel is though sa isang room, 4 kami or marami kami nakastay na hindi ko kasama. The good thing there is yung mga kasamahan natin are totally mga foreign talaga sila guys. No? So, hindi sila nagpapacheck-in pag American citizens. So, totally strangers talaga siya or foreigners. So, that is really one good thing there kasi lesser sa possibility na maka-check-in o maka-roommate mo ang isang homeless. Bait ng mga nasano guys sa hostel. Pinahiram nila tayo ng umbrella. Nag-pinky promise lang ako na ibabalik ko siya right after. I'll just be walking the street kasi may malapit daw dito na train station. Yung 103 street pa rin siya. Kaso lang, red light. Kasi yung kanina, yung binabaan natin malayo yun kasi siya eh. Dito yung mga palatandaan pag may subway. Ganyan lang siya. Parang may ilaw na green. Diyan. But you have to be careful kung saan yung entrance papapunta sa yung destination. Kasi baka mali yung mapuntahan natin. Diyan. Guys, may sumasayaw dyan. So, nasa na tayo? Nasa 42nd Street. So, exit for Times Square is dito. Okay, dito tayo. One thing that I like in subway in the US, guys, kasi very straightforward yung entrance at saka exit nila. Pag stop ng train, nandoon agad yung mga card swiping para sa paglabas mo sa train. Unlike sa other trains na napuntahan natin in other countries na sobrang laki. Ang daming lakaran. Side lang is medyo rugged na siya. Hindi na masyado na-maintain yung cleanliness ng subway nila. Dito tayo sa X Street, 42nd Street and Broadway. be mind also sa train na sasakyan. Pag sinabing uptown, if you will look at the map, yun yung pa north. If you, pag sinabing downtown, yun yung pa south. So, you have to check that kasi iba naman sa other trains, sa other countries na nabisita natin. Kasi yung nakalagay is yung last station sa north tsaka sa south nila. This one is up ka ng downtown lang yung nakalagay. Gosh, when you exit guys, Times Square na agad. Nakikita ko na yung Broadway. Oh my gosh, that's it. Oh, this is New York. New York. New York. New York. That's it. Oh my God, the skyscraper. Yun. Kikita ko Madame Tussauds. May entrance fee dyan. Ayan yung ano guys, oh. Yung Broadway nila. Aladdin. Dyan yung tickets. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Hindi ko na alam kung nasaan ako. Lakad lang tayo ng lakad. Sinasabayan ko lang yung mga people. Kung saan sila pupunta. Oh my gosh. Ito na nga yun, yung Times Square. Ayun. Oh my gosh. Maulan na naman. Tumataliksik. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is New York. Guys, ito na yung spot na famous na may ball drop during New Year's Eve. Oh my God. Look at the vibrant colors of Times Square. Oh my God. Unfortunately guys, ina lang tayo. May ulan din pala dito sa New York. Ayan. So ang daming tao ng Times Square. Ngayon time check guys, it's still 8:30 in the evening na. So wala pa, yung sunset nila hindi pa ganun maaraw pa siya. Mailaw pa. So yung sunset na nag-run ng 8:30 hanggang 9 p.m. Sa atin yan is sa mga 8:30 a.m. pa. Dito gabi na. Kasi delayed tayo ng 12 hours. So wala na bang ulan? Sige. Napaka-overwhelming ng Times Square. So this is one of the spot here in the New York that you shouldn't miss. Oh, may ganyan nakikita akong gift shops. Ano ba ito? Bibili na ba tayo? Ito na ba? Yun may mga gift shop dyan. So later na yan kasi hindi pa natin carry bells magwaldas ng money. Popeyes here, tapos may Jolly, McDonald's. May nakita akong McDo. Dito sa Times Square guys, maraming mga stall, na food stall. Mura lang yan siya guys, pero you need really to ask kung magkano yung benta. Kasi baka kasi that is one also of the major scams here, yung mga ganyan, yung mga food stall. Ayan. Ganyan. So you need to ask before buying, para hindi ka ma-scam. Yan, may McDo para sa ibabaw. Diyan na yung famous na red stairs. Maraming shooting spot dyan. I remember yung Spider-Man. The Amazing Spider-Man dyan yung spot. Tapos sa harap niyan is may magandang spot na ng Times Square. Maulan talaga guys. So I need to find something to eat kasi magdi-dinner na tayo. Red stairs, parang hindi na siya pinapapasukan. So naging attraction na din yung red stairs. So from there, you got a good view of the Times Square. Ayun. Wow. Ganda ng register sa camera. Ay, dito lang pala yung guys, yung Grand Slam na na souvenir shops. Yan, gusto ko dyan. So mamili tayo dyan soon before tayo aalis. Be careful with yung may mga mascot, no? Kasi baka maano kayo niyan, may mga mask. Maaliw kayo dyan, papipicture. May bayad po yan, no? So para iwas scam, wag na. Okay na tayo, makita lang. So hindi pa ako nakahanap ng food. Saan ba tayo kakain? Dito na ako sa famous red stairs guys. Unfortunately, it's closed. Hindi siya pinapapasukan na. Kasi dito yung may magandang view ng Times Square. mag-enter Grand Slam, check natin yung mga prices ng mga ref magnet nila. Para may benchmarking ka. Oh, how much is this? $16. Mahal. Doon tayo sa mga ref magnet at keychains. This one, how much is this? It's $4. Oh my god, it's 300 pesos. Wala bang mas mura? May mga ganito nila is how much? Walang presyo, baka mahal to. Oh my gosh. Ah, ayan pala. 5.99 each ones. Ito $7. Ito $5. Mga ganito guys, for $5. May area dito guys na 99 cents lang daw yung mga benta. Check natin kung 99 cents ba. Baka mapapateste na naman. Ay, may 99 nga. Oh my gosh. Yun may 99 cents. Oh my god. Wala, 99 talaga lahat. Perfect. Yan. Oh my gosh. Let's check. Let's buy now here. Guys, nakabili na tayo ng ref magnet. Nakabili ako ng 20 pieces na tag na 99 cents yung isa. So may bibigyan tayo ng 20 people for New York souvenirs. So legit po sa Grand Slam, meron talaga siyang 99 cents. So I'm not sure if meron pa siyang may mas mura pa nito. Pero hopefully kung may makita tayo, bibili na naman tayo ulit. So far guys, wala pa ako na-withdrawing money. Lahat na lang gamit ko is credit card pa talaga. Grabe, widely accepted yung cards dito. Sa Cane's guys, oh my god, this is another famous food chain here. I mean, fast food chain here in the New York or in the US. Ayan. Daming tao guys. Ayan natin guys. It has 3 pieces of chicken. Ayan, man bread and fries. Tapos yan. May soft drinks for $15. Tapos na tayo nag-dinner guys sa Cane's. So right now is we will be going back to the hotel. We will take a rest kasi kailangan natin mag-gain ng energy for our long trip pa because we will be staying 5 days here in the New York. So yung gagawin natin is we will be taking the subway again back to the same route that we had. Pero this time is yung pa-uptown na train ang ating gagamitin.